Hey friends, hi, welcome to our channel Gulf Job Station. I'm Khushbu again. I'm here in front of you with some more requirements, with some more videos. So if you are looking jobs in Gulf GCC, somewhere in Dubai, Bahrain, Oman, Qatar, Saudi, or other GCC countries, this channel, these videos can be a big help for you. Yes, I do share the recent requirement here, all the requirements which I used to share here. I used to check, verify, and then only I share with you. So again, I am here with some more requirements, and today I am with the UAE requirements. Okay, I'm assuring you that all the requirements here I'm posting are recent, and please watch the video completely and carefully. You are going to get all the information here only, how to apply for this job, what is the email ID, what sort of requirements they have, what what's the company name, what's the website, everything I'll try my best to share with you. And still, if you have some more doubts, you can ask me on the comment section. I will try to reply you. So let's not waste the time and talk about the requirement, but before it, please do subscribe the channel. अगर आपने चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ डू सब्सक्राइब इट. रीज़न, जब आप चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करते हैं, whenever I used to post the requirements or I used to post the videos, you will get the notification and immediately you can apply for that particular job set. So without any delay, right? So now let's talk about the requirement. So here I'm going to talk about the company, which is company name. Let me tell you the company name first. Abu Dhabi International Contracting and General Maintenance Company LLC. Okay. If you want to know about the website, so here is the website. You can write down they have a LinkedIn page also, so you can simply write down on the Google that Abu Dhabi International Contracting and General Maintenance Company LLC, or else you can put the website, which is adicc-uae.com. I will try to post the this thing on the description box also, so that you will get the idea that what sort of company I'm talking about. Okay, so ADICC, this is what Abu Dhabi International Contracting General Maintenance Company LLC, right? So if you check about their services, so you'll get the idea that they are into construction, building construction, okay, and infrastructure, roads, civil works construction, turnkey contracting, value engineering, oil and gas industries, facilities, plants, construction. So they are into civil work, you can see that. Okay, there you can simply check their website. They have so many ongoing projects and very beautiful pictures and they mentioned here whatever the projects they have completed, just like some road projects, some building Dubai Emirate National School projects in Sharjah, Al and Qub Society, Indonesian Embassy, Sheikh something like KG school. There it's going really fast, so I'm unable to read it very frequently. You can just go to their website and check it. Okay, so now let's talk about the requirement. So first thing, the who posted this requirement. So Mr. Rajesh Ramchandran, who is working as an HR in charge in this company, Abu Dhabi International Contracting General Maintenance Company LLC. He is the one who posted this requirement, and I am here in front of you with this requirements. Actually, this requirement he has posted before 6 hours. So now let's talk about it. Okay, Mr. Rajesh Ramchandran. We are hiring for below categories urgently. They have 3 requirements. The first requirement, they have a safety officer. Okay, for this UAE experience with contracting company for minimum 4 years of experience required. So this is the first requirement for safety officer. Second requirement they have for procurement officer, civil, experience 5 years in contracting company. Okay, the third requirement they have for QA and QC engineer, civil. As I told you already, these all the requirements from civil background, and experience should be experience must have 4 years of experience required. So they have 3 requirements, as I mentioned already: safety officer, procurement officer, and QA and QC engineer. Okay, how to apply for these jobs? Actually, one point is they mentioned here very clearly. by mentioning subject line with a specific position. Please do mention the subject line, the position name on the subject line with a specific position. Yeah, CV without subject line will not be considered. That is the point I was talking about. Please, I always tell you, or in my, I guess, all the videos I try to mention this thing, that please do mention the position name, specific position name on the subject line. Okay, and you can share your CV. The email ID where you need to share your CV is career@adicc-uae.ae. okay, which you can see on my screen also. So please do your CV should be updated one, the picture should be the recent one. Okay, and description box should not be empty. Subject line, as I already told you, please write down the specific position name. So description box or the mail body should not be empty. You can write down your current CTC, your expectation, your total experience, your relevant experience, your notice period, your preferred location, your offer. If you have any offer in hand, you can write down your offer in hand also, right? And attach your CV and share to the given email ID. Email ID I have already mentioned in this video. Okay, and apart from this, if you are looking for some other kind of requirement, some other kind of position in some other country, maybe in somewhere in Oman, somewhere in Saudi, somewhere in Bahrain, please mention, please you can mention on my comment section. I will try to reply you. I will try to bring the requirements, bring the videos according to your requirement. That is what for today. I hope it will be useful for you. If not, please do share the requirements with other. Please do share the videos with other. And if you till now you didn't subscribe that channel, please do it right now. Thanks for watching. Good luck. Take care and bye bye.